So I've sprayed this roof with our soft wash solution. You can see how it's a little bit soapy. It does have a detergent in it, an environmentally friendly biodegradable detergent. And we use our soft wash solution, which is 100% biodegradable. I'm not letting it go into the gutters. For one, that wastes the product, and we want to get as least amount of soap down there as possible, just to help protect the environment. And if we need to, we can make, if it's near a body of water, we can make the concentrate a lot less, so it's not soapy, which is not good for the lakes and streams and whatnot. So here we go. I'm going to spray this last section. You can see how all the moss is just turning white. It's all going to be dead when we're done. I could easily make a big mess in this backyard. I could destroy this roof by pressure washing it, or using a broom. But this is the way it works. See how it's getting all that black mildew? If you can see, there's a real definitive line. You can see where all that black mildew I was talking about has totally disappeared. And here's the last little section we'll spray. I'm gonna get this ridge good. Just nice and easy spray, and let the chemical do the work, It's just that simple. This method will not damage this roof at all. There's no other method out there that works as well. You'll see this start changing color right now. All that black mildew is going to start dying. Give it one more little spray. It's almost like a kind of a magic trick. That's what I tell a lot of people. It's amazing what this does. And like I said, it's environmentally friendly, so it works well. And you're going to see it change color slowly but surely. It'll all look like what I sprayed over there. And this moss will slowly fall off. Small enough, it'll degrade to the point where it's not going to block the gutters. Heavy rainfall over a season will get this taken care of. Let the rain, wash everything down over time. And we save running a pressure washer and burning gas, which is a good feature. And everything's dead up here when I'm done. Everything. Pressure washing, you're blowing the moss everywhere. We're using a big air compressor like a lot of our competition does. I'd have moss all up in this person's yard over here. I'd have moss all in their grass. Their grass will get moss in it. Their deck, everything. So this is the method of being smart and working smarter and not harder. And you can see that patch I just sprayed is starting to slowly change color. And I'll spray some more, and we'll be done with this section.